Hey guys, welcome back to ZachBlog. So, I got an email this morning from YouTube. It seems they've changed their terms and conditions for the partnership program again. And my channel has been basically removed. Well, it will be removed in 30 days. They have introduced new thresholds for the to be eligible, basically. So now you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. My channel has, I guess, last I looked, 654 subscribers and 8,000 something hours of minutes of watch time. It's basically 120 something hours. So I'm not eligible for the program anymore. So in 30 days, all my monetization will be removed, and I will no longer be a partner of YouTube. So I think I'll probably just remove myself before that happens. I mean, when I get home, I'll probably just go through my channel and disable all the monetization. I won't click the leave the partnership program button, just in case they change their mind in the next 30 days. But, I mean, I'm kind of just tired of trying to keep track of and follow their terms and conditions to remain eligible for AdSense revenue. There's really no reason for me to fight so hard for AdSense revenue. Let's just be full disclosure here, I've earned $200 about from the YouTube partnership program since I began my channel, which was almost 3 years ago now, so it hasn't been lucrative at all to be in their YouTube partnership program. More lucrative for me has been the Amazon affiliates, actually. Amazon affiliates, I had a few people using my links consistently that were actually able to keep my channel, I don't know, it wasn't making me any money. I always was putting more money into it than it ever brought out. I've never really received a payment from Patreon, and all my Amazon payments that came in were put back toward the channel, in the form of buying things or putting that money toward my Adobe Premiere membership, which was 30 or 40 Canadian per month. So just in that alone, paying for the Adobe Premiere, I spent more on the channel than it ever brought. Which, I mean, it's not a big deal. That's not why I got into the channel, right? I got into the channel to share the things I was learning, having fun learning these things, having fun sharing them. YouTube, having my monetization on the channel is actually kind of ruined the whole experience for me, so one way or the other, I'm going to shut the monetization off. I'll keep my Amazon affiliates thing going. It's even stopped making anything, so I don't care anymore. It never was supposed to be a job. It's supposed to be fun, post videos when I wanted. Trying to cater to YouTube's algorithms has kind of destroyed the whole experience for me, so YouTube thinks they're going to cut me off. I'm cutting them off first. I just don't care about their program anymore. Since I have you guys here, I could explain why I've been away from the channel so much lately. It's been a lot happen in my life, really. My wife has had a few surgeries. I had to take my child to the Sick Children's Hospital in Toronto to have a piece of cat food removed from his lung. Kids. But, gone through a couple job changes. It's been a lot since my last couple videos, really. Crashed my car just after Christmas. Obviously not this one. Yeah, it's been a lot going on, so I mean, I probably could have fit in time to make some videos even still, but it's just honestly not been a priority for me. Like I said before, it doesn't bring in any money. All it really does is take up time and cost money, so I can't have it as a priority in my life. Family's got to be the priority. I don't know, what else can I really update you guys on? The past few days I've been looking into maybe starting a series on building a plugin for Kerbal Space Program. That could be interesting. I might actually do some videos on that, I don't know. I was planning on kind of making a return to videos in the spring. I have an unheated workshop, so I can't even 3D print anything right now. The printers are in the unheated workshop, and it's at negative whatever Celsius. Can't even really spend too much time in the workshop, it's so freaking cold. I don't know, I can't think of anything else at the moment. I kind of really got to focus on driving, so I guess that's it for this video. Hit the thumbs up, hit the thumbs down, subscribe, comment. Not that it'll make any difference anymore. YouTube's kind of shot themselves in the foot over this one as far as I'm concerned. There's going to be a lot of up-and-coming content creators, as they want to call them, artists, whatever your preferred term is for them, us, whatever. YouTube's just kind of making it more difficult to grow, really. So, like I said, I'm just going to remove myself from their program. I suppose I'll wait the 30 days before I actually leave the program, but I'll disable all my monetization. Hopefully in the next 30 days they make a better decision and go back on this poor decision. So, I guess until next time, whenever that will be. Have a good one, guys.